actually, I'm not really good at this.
Okay, that's okay.
And the person I would actually go to for this speech is Deepa. I would have actually written the speech and I would have asked her to edit it. And I couldn't do it today, obviously, for the reasons, it's for her. So I did reach out to Mohit Bhaiya. I showed him the speech at least twice or thrice today. And he refused. He told me, no, it's okay. He was just like me. ठीक है बोल दे, बहुत अच्छी है.
वो नहीं बताना चाहिए.
That's how Mohit would respond. यार मैं सो रहा हूँ. स्वीटी करिए. स्पीच पढ़ो.
अच्छी है.
बहुत अच्छी है.
वो भी बीवी के बारे में अच्छी बोलना पड़ेगा ना, नहीं तो क्या बोल सकते.
So she's my cousin and she's my colleague. Okay, so I actually know more about her than her husband.
Mohit, listen carefully.
That goes vice versa. Yes, it's true. Absolutely. So let me start when I was 2 years old. Okay, when I was 2 years old.
शांति रखो शांति.
So I was this annoying kid who used to watch this stupid movie every time, Khoon Ka Rishta.
Oh.
And I used to only watch that stupid movie every day. And I would not let anybody watch it, okay? So then Deepa beat the shit out of me, made me sit in front of the TV and said, और picture देख. कहती है अगर तू पिक्चर नहीं देखेगी तो तेरा और मेरा रिश्ता खून का रिश्ता होगा.
I actually said that. Actually, so damn true. She's taking me to a memory lane that haven't been visited in a long time. Oh Lord,
That is so sweet.
marvelous. Well captured.
So she's the one who actually made me fall in love with watching movies and gave me this thing. And then not only that, I had my first drink with her. Okay.
Oh.
So my first alcoholic drink was with Deepa.
दीपा,
लोगों को बिगाड़ने के
Why am I
कितने
not
लोगों को बिगाड़ा तुमने?
Why am I not surprised?
लिए मेरे को इसलिए बिगाड़ा है. I can believe it. ये सबको बिगाड़े.
So she has been our family's fashion diva. Since I knew what fashion was.
New Jersey का fashion diva है.
So as you all know, she is our family's fashion diva. The most beautiful female of our family who's always well dressed.
And in some shape. Yeah, she comes
Yeah. So
Hello. She gives brides the complex.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
When she goes to attend a wedding.
अभी ने तेरे भिंडी के बारे में बात
तेरा अभी तक तेरा टर्न आया नहीं है.
Boss, please let the boss.
तेरा टर्न नहीं, अभी उसका टर्न है.
Okay. Whoever.
I don't want to hear.
Okay, you have to hold the mic close.
So she set the standards for fashion and fitness in our family. She was the fittest person and most fashionable person. And we all looked up to her. And I feel when she's around, the family is more well dressed. कपड़े, चमकीले जूते, लंबी हीरो में होते हैं.
I don't dress up like this.
छाती बाहर.
You know what? Louisville family called me. Here comes the bling. They called me. Here comes the bling.
सुनो.
Here comes the bling.
हाँ, listen up. हाँ.
सबके पेट अंदर होते हैं, सब अपने बेल्ट ड्रेस में होते हैं कि दीपा आ रही है भैया उसके साथ चलना है, अपनी इज्जत रखनी है. तो सब सज धज के आया कन्हैया बने होते हैं, ठीक है ना? So in my life she has shown me all the finer things: booze, movies and fashion. Okay, so I
What blues?
booze, दारू.
अच्छा, I thought blues.
No, booze. Blue तो है ही ना.
Okay, he wants to hear it multiple times.
Only booze. Booze, movies and daru. And fashion.
Hold on.
Booze, movie and fashion. दारू for him because उसे booze नहीं समझ आई थी. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गया इनकी पर्सनल की बात है. अब on work front, since I work with her, I have not seen anyone as thorough as her. so detail oriented. And I feel that AI can learn a thing or two about writing
Yeah.
perfect mails and messages from her.
Ah.
She needs to. No, honestly, I'm not exaggerating here. The AI needs to take classes here, okay? So, when she writes an email to the client, she takes hours and hours if it's a crucial email. She goes over it again and again. And I feel when the client receives the email, वो सोचता होगा यार इतनी अच्छी मेल का कैसे जवाब दूँ? जो बोल रही मार ही जाता हूँ।
चलो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ही दे देते।
क्यों कौन मेहनत करेगा इतनी अच्छी मेल का जवाब करके अपनी बेइज्जती करने का क्या फायदा? जो बोल रही है मान जाओ चुप कर लिया।
क्या बात है?
लेकिन in all honesty मैं तो I lose my patience. That's why I related with Mohit Bhaiya today. I was like, I'm like दीदी भेज दो बहुत हो गए. But she is like, nahi, we'll send a perfect mail. And I've always seen when she sends out an email to a client, which is crucial, either the client does not respond or responds like, I agree. तो मतलब क्लाइंट को लग रहा था बस अब इस बात को यहीं छोड़ दो कौन इतनी मेहनत करेगा
क्लाइंट को छोड़ो मोहित भी आई एग्री
उनको तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा खैर शादी करिए So not only that, at work front, I think she has already become half of a lawyer. I think along with a doctor, ये lawyer की degree भी अब हासिल कर चुकी है, क्योंकि she makes really strong contracts. She drafts a contract for the client. She sends it to me and Suresh, and then she tells us, "Okay, read the contract and kind of go through it." And in the last 20 years, I've not read through any of her emails. So now you know. I don't even know what's written in the damn contract. So, because I know by the time the contract comes to me and to Suresh, it's been proofread 100 times. And I don't think I can find, or even AI can find a mistake in that,
क्या बात है दीपा
क्या बात है?
She's half a lawyer. अगर आप लोगों को कोई consultation लेनी हो तो please reach out.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Unsa law usually
We corporate law grab. Yeah. So she knows now that I have not read those emails. I think you can stop sending it to me. Okay. First, So she is a very positive and a very patient person. So at work,
Hey, I think
100%
more
agree.
patient.
No. Like I'm not working.
क्या
with-
बात है
I-
अश्विन? कोई तो मेरे बारे में बात
क्या होता है अश्विन
Yeah,
Those
no,
are-
no,
Okay,
Okay, she is talking about her colleague. You talk about your colleague.
बहन को बात तो करने दो अभी मेरी
आज दीपा का दिन है.
आज दीपा का
आज दीपा का दिन है. मोहित का कल आएगा.
मैंने ही है इसका बर्थडे तब तू कर
और मैं मोहित भैया के साथ मैंने काम नहीं करा, मैंने तो दीपा के साथ ही काम करा, तो मैं तो यही बता सकती हूँ.
हाँ, सही बात है सही बात.
So when things go wrong, we take turns in having panic attacks.
Oh, that's so true.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
We take turns.
Mine is delayed response.
Yes.
When I see the
हाँ.
bank account, business bank account, I'm like, shit man, ये भी चला गया, वो भी चला गया. My heart is up and down. The only account that I watch is my
I know.
PNC account, nothing else.
So on
I'm not
panic,
concerned on the personal front.
so on panic attacks, I'm the first one to go over there. I'm the first one to have them. I
First
have them.
reaction
Yes,
is,
first reaction is mine.
Okay, so my sister is a drama queen. Yeah.
How many drama
Like-
queens
You are saying that?
Oh, yeah.
Deepa.
That's in the family.
How many drama queens you have in the
दीपा.
पूरा फैमिली ड्रामा क्वीन है.
Family drama.
Because we have two.
मोहित को मिल गया चांस. मौका मिल गया तो मार दिया.
You're so unprivileged.
Why you reacting? Why you reacting? You don't know who it is.
Congratulations.
I'm going to say something after.
चलो she admitted.
Let me finish.
Ah,
Okay.
listen.
रोहित को लगा कि मैं भी ले लूंगा थोड़ी बार.
My sister has something
Yeah,
more to say.
So when
Nice about
shit
me.
hits fan, I'm the first one to panic. And even though I know it's coming for her, but she's strong and she's patient and she's giving me the strength, she's calm and strong, and I know it's coming for her in the next 2 days. But I appreciate her strength and her, calmness for me on those days.
You know what I think, what the other person is going through, and I'm like, okay, everything is fine, everything will be good. हमारी pipeline बहुत strong है. हमारे पास 3 year business आ रहा है. I start counting that. And I'm like, it's okay, it's okay. And then after that I see PNC Bank going down and down, and as my heart is sinking down and down, I'm like, अब बहुत गड़बड़ हो गई स्वीटी, this account पे बहुत गड़बड़ हो गई. कितना business लेके आना पड़ेगा?
You have access to the PNC bank or no?
No.
He has access to Deepa Didi.
Only
That's
have
all
access to the money that comes from that.
Okay. And when it's her turn to get panicky and she starts coming and talking to me, I'm like, you know, Deepa Didi, I think you should talk to Neetu Didi. Because I'm not the right person to advise them. You know, Neetu Didi is our sister and she's spiritual guide. Okay, and Deepa Didi is reaching that level though for me.
Actually, guys, one of the podcast, watch, voice of Allah spirit.
No,
yeah.
Sister
Yeah.
Shivani kind of.
Oh,
Sister Shivani.
Vaisa wala.
So yeah,
Guidance. We need
Yeah.
guidance
Yeah.
at times. She is my therapist.
yeah, mine too.
I
think Deepa,
you know,
she's
when I
mine.
speak to her, I speak to her like I'm
Hello?
speaking to my mirror. You know, who replies back to me? Like I'm like,
You're having mic now?
They have very similar thoughts. Very similar thoughts. Very positive similar thoughts. So I have seen Deepa get colonoscopy in the morning,
Yeah.
dinner meetings with the client
I've heard.
in the evening, and then wrapping the day up with friends and party till late.
oh,
Alright?
and then do not forget the time I spent with Mohit.
Yes.
We were awake after the party, 3 a.m.
So this is
I will
just
not ask what happened.
Okay.
It's okay.
You were sitting outside and smoking.
so this is just yesterday, by the way, all in the day's work. So this was yesterday, her day yesterday, and I was like, my God. Okay, so she's one of the most himmat wala person I know.
Let's talk about your experience in colonoscopy.
I don't remember. They give me professional.
Oh, you did.
Michael Jackson
Then it's
takes
fine.
and I was knocked out.
Yeah, so she's one of the most himmat wala person I know. The best dressed with those towering heels, dancing till 4 a.m., not a hair out of the place. And here I'm barefoot, you know, wincing just looking at her. And I'm like, wow, how is she doing that?
Wow.
How are you doing that?
That's Deepa for you. That's Deepa for you.
That is Deepa for you. And then when she...
for drinks.
Oh, घमंडी नहीं है वो.
Some Tamil thing.
Okay. So I know this woman works crazy, like a crazy the whole week, and then she has guests over on the weekend. And so many guests. I mean, I know almost every weekend she has people over.
Yep, I know that.
Every weekend. To the point where I in fact suggested कि अपने घर को ना Airbnb बना लो. And yeah, and she's this perfect hostess, and she cooks for everybody.
Perfect.
And
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Cooking has to be perfect.
God. Cooking.
नहीं रोको.
बुला रही है तू मुझे.
Amazing food. जैसे मेरे जैसा बंदा तो कोई आ रहा है, चलो खिचड़ी बना लो,
बिल्कुल.
कुछ भी बना लो,
बिल्कुल.
but ये सीख कबाब बना रही हैं from scratch. She's making like seekh kebabs. And like, what is wrong with her? You know? And what are you on? I need to be on that same.
I want that. I want that
I
drug.
want it too. So let's raise our glasses.
All right, now let me get my glasses.
Yes.
Let me get my
Mine
glasses.
is there.
Yes, please get the glasses. Everybody has.
I
them.
Okay, wait.
That was so
Shot डालने का क्या नहीं?
You are
उठा लो खाली गिलास उठा लो
cheers to the superwoman of our family. Deepa,
Happy birthday, Deepa! Happy birthday, Rohit! Happy.
So I have to just tell you one thing that a course, Mohit bhaiya as my
यार आप इतना शांत
जीजा. सुनो.
नहीं,
मेरी बात सुनो.
मैं-
तो सुन ही रहे हो.
अभी दारू
एक मिनट दीपा के बारे में इतनी अच्छी बात बताई, उसके बारे में कुछ अच्छी बात बताई
सुनो.
है कि नहीं?
उसके बारे में वो खुद ही बता देगा
मैं जब कलीजा खानदान में गया तो ना मुझे ऐसा लगा कि सारे मेरी बर्मा है. आंखें बड़ी छोटी हैं सबकी, सारी बहनों की. तो मैं कल लद्दाख तो दूर से भाग के आ गई हैं सारी. आपने देखा कभी सारी सिस्टर्स को, सबकी आंखें छोटी हैं, है ना? मेरे को लगता है पिंग पोंग कहीं से खेल के आई हैं.
जबरदस्ती
हाँ,
हमारी बेइज्जतियां कर रहा है
नहीं बट इतनी सुंदर है ये सारी बर्मा की लेडीज.
गूगल सर्च एंड शोड अस ये देखो बर्मा
ये
की
देखो,
लड़कियां
ये
तुम
वो
जैसी
नहीं
लगती
देखा
है
ये आंखें आपने देखी सबकी मधुबाला की तरह है.
हम नहीं देखते हैं, हम खाली हमारे बीवी के आंखों में आंख
नहीं
हो जाती
थोड़ी देर बाद छोटी हो जाती है सर.
और बस
मुझे भैया बताएंगे भैया लगते नहीं बर्मा के सारे मोमोज फैमिली.
मोमोज फैमिली
And this have been saying from last 20 years. Everybody looks like Splag. Have you seen Niti? Neetu? Mona? All the sisters of Nita Devi?
yeah we've seen
So everybody have smaller eyes.
इधर ला, इधर ला, इधर ला.
Okay, and Mamaji also had it. But I think it's come from, मेरे को लगता है कि ये सब भाग के आए हैं. हाँ.
इधर most important.
And we can share the same birthday, so I don't know. We have similar qualities.
ये
you're right.
अरे वाह.
क्या बात है? और
ओए,
इकरार करो
I love it. Yes, all of that.
कौन है?
I love you, Mohit bhaiya.
अरे वाह.
चलो लेट्स गेट बैक.
अच्छा हाँ दीपा
गाना
छोटी सी कविता.
अच्छा ये दीपक है, दीपक है,
दीपा
दीपा है.